Hello, welcome to MK2 Golf Stories. Hopefully got a short episode today. Just going to be looking at this rust around here. I'm going to grind it back along the side of the arch. Plan to just grind it back, give it a paint and hopefully tidy it up a little bit. Okay, fingers crossed it's nice and easy. So let's do it. So we've got the wheel off, so we've got a bit more access. Just going to use this grinding disc, grind it back around here, grind down the side, underneath, and see how bad it is, and up here as well actually. Oh dear, that's pretty bad. And around here. Yep, so let's do it. Yes, this bit's coming off. Well, there's not actually a whole lot of metal around here at the bottom, so I mean it doesn't really matter up to probably about here, so I might cut that out. It's all pitted around here, so I don't know if I'm best cutting all this out. So that's just the top skin that's gone really, isn't it? I might try and cut the top bit out. Let's grind it back a bit more, then we'll see if I need to cut it out and get it off. So I'm just going to cut off this rusty part here. Cut this out. I'll cut it about there. So yeah, we've got an inner and we've got an outer skin, so it looks like it's just the outer skin which I've cut off. So I can grind down this inner skin, get all this rust off it. And I'll just cut it out too. Oh fuck, I don't know. That's pretty solid. That is shite. Actually, I'm not even going to paint this bit here because that needs cutting off and welding as well. My welding was shit, so I'm just going to paint this part.
Use this windscreen sealant. Got
What?
windscreen sealant, black. Yeah. Now.
Doing a bit of sand.
What?
Just giving this sort of line between the two bits.
Nothing in there then. Nothing in over here.
No.
I don't have to do that, really.
So I'm just going to give it another quick light coat just to sort of get rid of this harsh line we've got. You want to do that bit there, never mind. That looks a bit better, so we'll give it a few minutes, come back, do another coat, and back some clear coat on it. This area also needs some clear coat on it because this was welded and painted. You can see a patch here actually, which was welded the other day because that was completely rusty. Let's give it a bit more paint now actually. So there we go. I know I've done these sorts of videos before. If you've not found it too boring, please consider dropping a like or clicking on subscribe, or maybe even buying me a coffee. That'd be lovely. My aim is to get to a stage where I never have to make myself a coffee ever again. So anyway, yeah, I've got some more videos planned and lined up. Sorry if I've not been as regular. I'll try and get more stuff up and done as and when I can. Hope you're all keeping well, and if you have been watching, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.